Hey guys, it's this here, quick review. So today I got a skate tool and a new skateboard deck. Here, Spitfire skate tool. It was at Zoomies for about that $10 about that, and my battery's on low, but Spitfire has a thing to change out these. This to tighten the truck. This side right here is to tighten the wheels, and it has a screw right there, and it has an outlet head. I think that's what it is, and it's actually one of my first. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And this is the board I got. Wasted Youth. I used the same trucks that I had on my Baker board. If you guys seen that. Yeah, it's about like $30. About $30 around there. Whole thing was about like, then the tool was about like $48 or something like that. But yeah, it's a pretty cool board. Same bearings. Need to clean them though, but yeah, same trucks. My trucks are Ventor, if you were wondering, with a purple base plate. Two different colored wheels. But yeah, it's about an 8.5, which it's a little tiny bit bigger than or wider than what I would normally ride. But yeah, the skate tool, I use a skate tool to put these trucks onto this board. Works out pretty good. Yeah, I really like this tool. It's one of my first tools. I don't know if I said that, but I probably did, but it's one of my first tools. Like I said, by Spitfire, Zoomies. But yeah, I really like it, and I can't wait to go skate my new deck. It was really cool. Like I said, I still have my other boards, but yeah, Spitfire, really helpful tool. I'm gonna start taking this around pretty much everywhere when I have my skateboard, so I can loosen and tighten up anything. But it's pretty good tool so far. Really like it. Whoops. And yeah, tell me in the comments below what you guys think of my new deck. Like I said, it's by Wasted Youth. Really cool. Really cool deck. I'm gonna be using this a lot, no doubt. But yeah, tell me in the comments below what you think about it. Tell me what you think. Right now, if you're wondering, I'm skating Pumas. Skating these Pumas right here, these red Pumas. They're suede, pretty sure suede, which is pretty good for skateboarding. But yeah, here's the grip. It's really grippy. Use the same hardware. Silver screws in front, so I know which one. So those two. Really grippy. I don't really like grippy grip tape because it grips my shoes way too much, and I can't do that much tricks. But you know, it's whatever. I almost landed a heel flip, landed 2 kick flips, and a varial kick flip the other day, which is awesome. Yeah, I'm just riding these Pumas for now because my other shoe is messed up. That would be this shoe right here. That, and these don't work that much. And yeah, that's about that. Tell me in the comments below what you think. of what I have. Tell me in the comments below if you want more skate videos, more skateboard videos. I would do that. Tell me in the comments below what you guys want to see. Got yellow wheel, and a pink wheel, 2 just regular wheel. My bone threads. This one doesn't roll that good. I need to clean them. Bushings are good. Trucks are a bit worn out, but still good. Still going. These are my best trucks I have. The other trucks I have just like a Walmart Darkstar board. Or Walmart Darkstar trucks, whatever. And the other one are due to Walmart trucks. But yeah, tell me in the comments below what you think. Yeah, this is a deck. Tell me in the comments below what you think of it. I think it's pretty cool. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.